Welcome back to the Hillbilly RV channel. Today, we're working on this fifth wheel right here behind me. Yeah. The customer says the water heater is wanting to leak. Back where on the back side where the heating element goes in, this is an Atwood water heater. I'll get you that model number in just a minute. It's pretty unusual. We just don't see those heating elements leak very often. So probably just going to end up pulling the element out, taking a look at the surface where the seals, see if there's anything going on there, and probably just replace the element, and then we'll have a new element and a new seal and see if it still leaks. So let's go ahead and get started. Can y'all help me carry some stuff? Would help? You're not gonna help me, are you? Okay, no problem. I'll get it. Don't worry about it. Y'all just sit there and drink your coffee, and I'll get everything. Hopefully that focuses. There's our model number. It's a GC6AA-10E. First thing I'm gonna do is take this drain plug out. Just make sure there's no water in the water heater. Good thing I pulled the drain plug. I don't know where that camera is focusing. The interesting thing was, I pulled that drain plug and this just started, I mean, running out back here at the heating element, which does not make a lot of sense. I mean, running out. I'd venture to say that we have a busted tank. Yes, that is the case. I can see where it's coming out back in there. That tank is busted. Yep. I know y'all can't see back in there, but I can, and that tank is busted. Yep, big old crack on it. Okay. Well, this video's over before it started. Yeah, I thought it was pretty weird that heating element would be leaking. It's not the heating element, it's the tank is cracked. I would say that this thing has frozen busted at some point this winter, because I thought it was funny. She said that that when she tried to put water in it, it started leaking. Yeah. So apparently she thought she had drained it. I don't know. But anyhow, we're gonna have to get her water here. Sorry, not much of a video, but yeah, there's just not much we can do about that. Why don't you do much? Go down there and leave me a comment, a criticism, a concern, and we'll all just move on. Y'all have a great day.